First day of weaning, and Ricky is the first to go after the food. Ricky's the one in the red collar, Moki's in the yellow collar, and the green collar is Osaki. I forgot the name again. But let me see. Yellow collar, Moki, red collar to the right is Ricky. They're still up for adoption. And over there, we have Bon Bon drinking water. She's still up for adoption. And right there, that red one is Juno, still up for adoption. Look, they're going for it. Ooh, look. Okay, the green collar is Okashi. And that Shell's got one in her mouth. And Bon Bon over there is playing. They're up for adoption. Look, Ricky's going for the dry food. Ricky's the first to start walking, the first to go for the food. Ricky's really advanced out of the litter. Great. All right.